Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable Ashampoo Snap from starting up when your Windows PC starts up. So how do you do that? Once you have the application opens up, then you want to click on your tree on the lower right hand side and just right click on the Ashampoo application and you will get those features here. Click on settings and it will take you right into the settings here, and here on the application under the generals tab you will find the start with Windows. You want to uncheck this box and click on save, and that's going to disable it from startup with your Windows PC. Alternatively, if you have it start up and you have it set as a startup application, you should be able to find it under your task manager on the startup application. So you can go to the startup apps, and if you have it here, you'll be able to see it in the list as well, and you can easily disable it. So you can choose whichever option to basically check to see if you have the application. But once you disable it, guys, then you won't have to worry about having the application start up on Windows when your computer starts.